we've got a new window clean robot. Let's unbox it and take a look. Open the box. Here we see the latest window clean robot. After taking the unit out, we need to check the machine for any wear or scratches. We can check all 4 corners because during the transportation, the corners are the most likely to be damaged. Alright, everything looks intact. Here is a nice design detail. Inside, we have the accessory box. It comes with a small grip, which makes it easy to take the accessory box out. Let's open the accessory box. We see the user manual. Before using the machine, please read the manual carefully. Now, we take out the DC extension cable. This is the power supply for the window clean robot, as known as the adapter. This is the AC power cable, which is the power plug. This is the water filling bottle, here the spray nozzle. You can spray water directly onto the glass. This is the remote control for the window clean robot. This package contains the clean cloth. That's all for the accessories. After opening the machine, let's first take a look at the main unit. There is a power button on the main unit. This is the speaker for voice prompts. On both sides are the grips, which makes it easy to hold and carry the machine. This is the water tank filling port. Open the cover to add water. This are the 2 cleaning pads of the window cleaning robot. Gently press at the edge to remove them. When installing the pipes, place them in position. Then gently twist and press down until they are secured. These are the 2 spray nozzles. Here, we can see exactly the outline of the node. This is the driving wheel, which moves the robot across the glass surface. What makes this model different from traditional window cleaning robots is that it has 4 highly sensitive sensors at the 4 corners for edge and boundary detection. Here is the DC power cable, and this is the safety rope. When cleaning outdoor windows, make sure the safety rope is properly and securely fastened. Now, let's focus on the main switch. This is the master power switch. When the switch is in the off position, the machine will not turn on even if connected to power. You must move the switch to the on position. When the small red indicator is visible, the machine will respond after connecting the power supply. This button is the group cleaning mode. It is designed for dirty glass and performs 2 consecutive cleaning circles. This is 4 buttons are for manual control. Up, down, left, right. Press and hold the button, and the machine will move in the selected direction. Release the bottom, and the machine will stop. The center button is the start cleaning button. It starts cleaning from the current position, moving left and right while going downward. It does not go to the top first. This button is the restart cleaning button. No matter what state the machine is in, pressing this button will restart cleaning. The robot will move from the post position to the top of the glass, then clean from top to bottom. This feature allows the robot to detect the window frame and clean along the edges in a clockwise direction, cleaning only the board area. This is the spot cleaning function. Press and hold the bottom, and the robot will repeatedly clean a fixed spot at the selected or remote controlled position. This button turns automatic spray on or off. Press once and the robot will announce that automatic spray is on. Press again and it will announce that automatic spray is off. This button is for manual water spray. This is a language button. The machine supports different languages for different marketers. Press this button to switch languages. This is the home button. which turns the robot to its starting position. Some functions do not return automatically, so if needed, press the home button to send the robot back to the starting point. These two buttons are the newly added edge cleaning functions. This is the left edge button. After pressing it, the robot will move to the left side and clean from top to bottom. This is the right edge button. After pressing it, the robot will move to the right side and clean from top to bottom. This is the water tank cover. Open it and insert it into the tank. The water tank holds 120 milliliters. A full tank can clean at least 30 square meters of glass. Once the tank is filled, close the cover. Now we can accessible the power connection for the window cleaning robot. First, untie the strap. This is a 4-meter DC extension cable. You will see it has two ends, a male and a female connector. Connect the male end of the extension cable to the female end of the adapter. Tighten the 7 knots to secure the connection firmly. Next, connect the other end of the extension cable to the real power port of the robot. Insert and twist to make sure it is firmly connected. This is the AC power plug. Untie it and connect the figure 8 end to the corresponding adapter port. Push it in until it's fully seated. Now, the adapter accessibility is completed. Clip in place and plug it into a power outlet. A voice prompt will announce,
"Welcome on board. Fasten the safety rope and no use in humid weather. Please select cleaning mode to start."
Please press the start button to begin. Press and hold the button to start the main fan. Once the robot is attached to the glass, you can also control it with a remote to start cleaning.
connect the power cable. Please connect the power cable. Please connect the power cable.
Let's change the dirty cleaning pad. First, use your hand to gently lift the pad from the edge. The pad holder will come off easily. Remove the old pad and replace of the new one. There is the elastic band, but the outside hasn't. Place the elastic end over this part and fold it over by hand. If it looks like this after folding, it's incorrect and will cause problems. Use your hand to pull it over the range. Align it properly and smooth it out. There are matte put slide points here, so you don't need to align the wires precisely. Simply place the pad holder on top, press down, and gently twist. You should hear a click when it's in place. The same steps apply to the other pad. Open and remove the old pie. Then, find the elastic end of the new pie and press it into the slot. After installation, smooth it out. Place it on the holder, press down, and twist gently. You should hear a click when it's secured.
Left, right, up, down, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, pause, left edge cleaning, right edge cleaning, Z pattern cleaning path, turn off automatic water spray mode, add water spray, deep cleaning, reset network settings, back to start, English.